Hello everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, we've got a few moves behind us. We are going to do some rolling, 265. We had some fields re-drilled, and we're going to go and have a look at them. Go on! Messing around. We've got the ring roller on here. Let me go shut that Land Rover door. They're all wondering what's going on. So yeah, we've got this one here. We haven't used this in absolutely ages, but we're giving one of our maize fields a rest. So contractor said it'd be good to roll it with like this. So that's what we're going to be doing tonight. I've got a tripod, so hopefully we can set that up. Dad's just gone to go get the grease gun for that. Cows are being a pain in the ass. Someone's having a wee over there. Lovely. But yeah, we've got the mighty 265 on the job. So we'll see how that goes. And over here we've got the Land Rover, which I'm taking along to the grass field. Whilst Dad takes that along the road, because obviously I can't drive. And then I'm basically going to go over the road, hop in the tractor, and then he's going to hop over the road and hop in the Land Rover, and then he can drive back, and then I can phone him when I'm finished. So yeah, we will see you when we're along there. So we're just waiting now. Bring the Land Rover up here. Just waiting for Dad to come up in the 265. Cows will be in a pain in the ass, all running up behind and stuff. So I'm going to open this gate, and then he can go along, and then we'll drive off down that way to a field, and then we can be opposite, and then we'll cross that way. But we'll see you when we're along there. So we've made a great discovery that the tractor's low on fuel. So he's going to go and fill up on some fuel back at the yard, and then he'll be back over. Meanwhile, we'll get a shot of the drill doing some drilling down here. Cows aren't happy because they don't know what's going on. Because there's two tractors and a Land Rover out. Normally the Land Rover's out when it comes to getting them in. He's off. But yeah, so we are we're gonna give one of our maize fields a rest this year, and then the next one we'll do the year after. And then we're also drilling 2 grazing fields. So one of them is a grazing field and silage field. It's a really big one. And then the other one is this one down here. But we're only doing half of it because I'm not too sure why. But yeah, it's sort of used as 2 fields. There was a hedge in it, but it got taken out. Don't really know why. So yeah, he's re-drilling it now. I think Dad rolled this field earlier, but the drill ran out of seed. He only did 2/3 of it. So so he's coming to finish off the rest of it, which shouldn't take him too long, as he hasn't got much left to do, and it should be quite a quick job in theory. But there we can see the drill in action. So there's a nice shot. You can also hear the cows chewing and mooing in the background, like here. It's 297. Yep. Quite a few. Got quite a few young ones at the moment. Someone's a bit noisy over here. I think that's probably a heifer. Yeah, 627. So the green bands means they're a bit young or kitty. Somewhere down there is Ashley, which is a very friendly cow. I mean, they're quite friendly sometimes. But yeah, Ashley is very friendly compared to all of the rest. But they're quite a friendly breed, the British Friesians are. And they're in their natural habitat right now, eating some grass. Much better than being inside. We've had quite a good comeback on the grass situation. Probably not enough to give us a cut of grass, but enough for the cattle to stay out for probably as long as they would normally. And we've stopped feeding them silage, which is good. So at least we're not using bales anymore. We were originally at one point we were using 3 bales every day. So quite costly. But at least we stopped that now. Here's the big boss. The boss of the herd. 133. Quite chunky. She's also quite greedy when she comes in the parlour. She's a big cow. Very big cow. She's also a very nice cow. So yeah, you can see all of those down there. Dad's just done some filming, as you would have seen. We're cracking on now on the 3rd headland. I've probably got about half an hour until it starts to get dark and we'll have to head back because this tractor hasn't got any lights on it, or proper lights, you know. So I don't know how much we'll be able to do tonight. Might have to finish the rest of it tomorrow. But hopefully we'll get a good chunk of it done. We've got very squeaky seats. But yeah. It's not the easiest to see where I've been, to be honest. I'm sort of going off a little bit like where the tractor tyres were before. The drill's already made lines in it. tripod up at some point, and we'll have a look at at how we're doing. It's a bit steep up here. You can hear the tractor trying to get up it. But yeah, there's a lot to do. Probably won't get it all done tonight, but we'll probably set the tripod up and we'll have a look. I've just done a time lapse, as you would have seen. I've also eaten my sandwich in the duration of that time lapse. Obviously you wouldn't have seen that, but it was very tasty. So I'm gonna do one more headland after this, and then we will start going up and down. But I don't know how much longer I have left out here, to be honest, because it's starting to get a bit dark, but there's still obviously a bit of time in this. Yeah, there we go. Looking good. So we'll crack on and we'll tune in a bit. Right, so we're back now. We're just probably going to finish up now because it is quite dark. I'm still doing laps around, but you know, I'll probably come back tomorrow and just go up and down. 265 is looking pretty good. It's not sticking too bad. It's a little bit there. It's got a bit of moisture in the ground. It probably looks worse than it is, I reckon. It's very dusty stuff as well. But yeah, so we probably at least like I don't know, not halfway, but not a quarter, probably about in between halfway done and a quarter of the way done is what I'd say, because we've done quite a bit. I think we've done about 9 headlands maybe, or just going round, should I say. So yeah, we'll finish the video here, or well, I might not, but yeah, so that is the end of today's video. If you have enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and go and check out my TikTok, Harry the Legend 10. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. We're like 9,500 now, so pretty much there. So if you go over there, make sure to hit the follow button, and I might do a video or two on here. And until next time, bye for now.